Hey y'all, welcome back. This is part 2 of my t-shirt tutorial of my memorial shirt. If you are here for the first time, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing and please make sure you give me a like. Right now, I'm just going to dive on in and explain what I'm doing. If you've seen part 1, or if you haven't, I'm going to list it in the description below. Make sure you watch that first. Right now, I'm just taking the rest of the pearls and affixing them to the outer portion of the frame, the gold frame. This was my first time doing it this way. And as I said in part 1, they do have pearl HOTFIX stones that would have been much easier to apply, but I didn't have any and I did not feel like waiting for them to come in the mail. So I went on and used what I had. And this is just a quick tip. I should have said this in part 1, but make sure after you transfer the design, the picture, give it one last press to make sure everything is secure. An additional 5 seconds should be just enough. At this point, I realized I didn't want to wait for it to dry before I laid the other pearls down. So what I did was started cutting it. Then I realized working from left to right after I lay each of the beads down would be better because it'll give the left side a little time to dry. Just so I won't mess it up when I lay the pearls down, the second row of pearls down beside it. Like I said before, I do not recommend doing it this way. I really recommend just buying the pearl HOTFIX stones. It would be so much quicker. But again, it is a nice method to do if you do have some sort of beads laying around that you just don't know what to do with. You can use them to decorate, your shirts or whatever. So I'm not ruling it completely out, but that's only if you just have some laying around that you don't know what to do with. And here it is, a gorgeous, personalized memorial hoodie that's full of love and meaning. This would make a heartfelt gift or a comforting piece for anyone to wear. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you feel confident to create your own memorial hoodie. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative projects, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay creative, take care, and much love. Let us spill your tea.